Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these lovely twirls, and it just takes a few minutes. So let's begin. For this all you require is your pair of tweezers, some glue, some strips of paper and your quilling tool. So let's begin. So to make a big twirl, you'll require the entire strip of paper. So these are about 12 inches tall, and what we'll do is we'll stack them one on top of the other like so. You just keep on stacking them. Decide which color you want to use. So the more you stack, the wider your twirl is going to be, and you have to decide how big or small you want it. Now what we'll do is the last strip of paper, the one which covers the entire twirl, we'll take two strips. So one will be on top like this, an extra longer strip of paper, so it encompasses the entire twirl, and one will be a little lower like so, so it encompasses the end and the beginning. So you'll see how it looks. So now you put it all together like this, you just fold it in. The top portion will be a little smaller than the lower portion, that will be a little longer. So you put it like this, and this is how it will look. This is as thick as it will look. And what we'll do is we'll use our quilling tool, and we'll take the first few strips of paper. There we go. It's done. And now you start rolling towards yourself. And once you roll a little bit, just hold it in like this and continue rolling. So go as low as it's possible, as much as it's possible, and remove your quilling tool. Now what you do is you hold on to this and you apply glue over here. So all of these strips you have to apply glue, and you put them all together like this. And you unfold it. And this is how it's going to look. It's a gorgeous curl. Push all your strips of paper, if they're a little higher, just push them down. Or you can use the other side. And what you can do about this is you can just cut it off. And there you go. And you give it its shape while it's still wet, because once it starts drying out, it will become very stiff. So whatever shape you want to give, you want to fold it like this or make it straight, you do it while it's still wet. So you decide which way you want to go, and that's it. So it's so simple. So I'll show you another style. So for that I'm taking a dark green strip of paper, and what I'll do is I'll cut it in half. So I'll cut all my strips of paper in half. Now you fold it once again, lower on the top and longer on the bottom, like so, and you start rolling again. And this is how it's going to look. Looks really cute. And you can use less strips of paper, just 2 or 3 or 1 or 2. That will also make a lot of difference. Browns and greens look really pretty. Browns, greens and yellows look really beautiful. And you can stack them like this, like so. Now another thing you can do is, I'll show you, while this is still wet, you have to allow it to dry a little. So I have this one already made. Now what I'll do with this one is, you remember in my earlier videos, one of my earlier videos I'd shown how I make these. So these look really good on the sides over here. So what we do is we'll stick them together like this. So there we have it, simple designs. And what you can do is you can stick two of these together like this over here, how I've done. These are just simple ones with 2 strips of paper. So you can try this style also. And yeah, I'll show you how to arrange them, how I arrange them. So this is it. This is a cute arrangement I've made with one of my flowers and just these twirls. And they look really pretty. You can use them on cards, you can use them as magnets, you can just stick it all up together and use it as a magnet. And I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. And if you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.